Hi, Crystal. I'm going to give you some feedback. So ingredients look good. Now let's look at your directions. The flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt okay. So here you need are stirred together. Um, are stirred together in a medium-sized bowl. Stir the milk. Um, So here I'm not sure about passive voice. Stir the milk into the bowl to make a soft dough. So you're just starting with stir the milk into the bowl. If you want to use passive voice, you would say the milk is added into the bowl. So you could say stir the milk, and then the milk is added into the bowl until you make a soft dough. The dough is rounded. Good. Then the meat is placed in the dough and wrapped in a semicircle. Good. Dumplings are dropped into boiling stew. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes without lifting the lid. Serve. Excellent work.